Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this easy and quick cupcake together. Here are my ingredients. There is no butter in this cake, no milk and no egg. So we are going to be using flour, warm water, vegetable oil, baking powder, sugar, salt and vanilla flavor. So I'll be dropping all the recipe with their measurements in the description box below. So we are going to be checking the temperature of the warm water. If your skin can withstand the hotness, that means it's very okay. So I'll mix the warm water with sugar, vegetable oil and vanilla flavor. I'll mix everything together. So when I'm done mixing that, I'll mix the dry ingredients together, which is the flour, baking powder and salt. After mixing, I'll combine the both of them together, which is my wet ingredient and the dry ingredients. I'll combine them together. That is all guys, as simple as that. You can bake this for your kids to school. It's very easy and delicious, very nice. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do us well and hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Please don't leave without liking this video and subscribe to my channel. To our returning subscriber, thank you for the support, thank you for the love, thank you for showing up anytime we drop a new video. And to our new subscriber, you are welcome. Thank you for loving this channel to subscribe to it. I really appreciate you all. So I'll mix everything together to combine. Then I'll now put it in my cupcake paper. I've already lined my cupcake paper in the cupcake pan. So I'll be using 1/4 cup. This cake is a very easy cake. If you have your flour, vegetable oil, you are good to go. And the cake is ready to go into the oven. So, and our cake is out of the oven. I baked this for 20 minutes and my oven is on 150 degrees Celsius. If you want to make it more yummy, more delicious, just design it, decorate it in any form of your choice. I use whipped cream to decorate this. This is so delicious. Just try it and let me know in the comment section what you feel about it. See you all in my next one. Bye.